is everything done. Okay. A starter dish is like that. A normal dish is like that. Huh? Once. Twice. We do a little bit more because I want to. So, done. With this, just a little bit glazing. Think about it, you can have white one or this red one they are a little bit more sweet. Normally, you use normal now white wine. We don't use white wine. And then we do like that. That's one part of the story. Slow boiling, everything doing like that. You see the liquid is gone. You add a little bit more. And every time hot one, not cold. If it have to be hot, because if it is cold, it have to start again to heat up. It needs much more time. Then you have nothing more anymore on the time control. I'm creamy. You see that? 7-0. It comes like this color because we're using fresh chicken stock. If you have a packaged one, maybe it's not a little so dark, it's more lighter. There. But it's just like that way, huh? Right, that's here. Filled up a little bit more liquid. I leave it like this. 20 minutes. Done? Okay. That one? Okay, we have two ways to do that one. We can cut them in half, or we cut in pieces like that one and let it raw. We don't do anything. Bit of fish. Only me, huh? Nobody Some people use something else. I use a little bit mascarpone. Just for me. It makes it more creamy, makes more light, makes more... I think it's very sensitive. It's a little bit too much, however. Doesn't matter, I'm here too. Again, I do it like that one. Huh? You can saute it in the pan separately, everything like that one also. Huh? You see how it goes, how it cooks there? Mm-hmm. If times they're a little bit raw, it's okay. It's not worse. See how it cooks? Okay, okay, okay. Now comes the water. I don't like that one. I know it's risotto have to be a little bit liquid, not too hot cooking.